Uthi uDominic Zaca iphutha lakhe kube ukuthanda umntana wonye umuntu. Namhlanje loyo muntu loyo sekamtshela ukuthi uzomsuwisha. Icalaphi indaba yabo? According to uDominic Zaca, indaba yabo icale last year. Uthi beka kwi-event maka kwi-event kanjalo lo mfana lo sekazochamuka nabangani baka Dominic, right? Makafika umfana which is Anathi Mvambi atshela uDominic ukuthi hey mama, phela mina ngiyakuthanda, kudala ngikuthanda, bengicela ukuthi bandla usiphe i-chance, uke wabona. Hayi ke everyone lapho uthi oh, that's so sweet. Oh Dominic, hayibona, you know, hayi naye uDominic sakayabona ukuthi yo hayi vele nami bengizifunela umuntu engizoyenza izinto ezimnandi, ama-outing, ama-dinner naye nje sithandane kube mnandi. Hayi ke uthi the following day kwaba nebraai, right? Kuba nebraai, abangani babo bakhona, uthi hey bheka yena nomfana nje bebala kubukwa bona nje, uke wabona kumnandi kuleyo braai leyo, hey bancabuzana babambana nje, kumnandi. Indaba yabo ke officially yaqala kanjalo. Hayi ke uthi isikhathi siloko siyahamba, ba-attenda ama-event boyithuna, bayahamba kuma-bay vacations, kuba mnandi. Uthi ke uDominic, during all of these things, these events that they are attending, these vacations that they are doing, who is funding all of these things? Because of manje uAnathi uye wamnikeza izathu sokuthi isimo sakhe sime kanjani. So uDominic wabona kahle ukuthi hayi mara akuna stress, ngiya understanda, right? So wa understanda ini izathu, right, from uGuy, why is he not funding all of these things? Hayi ke uDominic uthi because ngisemathandweni, I was like no, it's fine, ngizofanda kunankinga, right? Hayi ke baqhubeke uDominic kuthiwa wayethenga neqathulo, ama-watch, ama-perfume. Hey bathi ubeka yenzela lo mfana lo uAnathi almost yonke into. At some point wayemthumela nezimali, umfana uke wacela uDominic ukuthi baby ngicela ukuthi ungibhukhele e-B&B. Hawu uDominic wabantu bandla wayenzani, wayibhukha leyo e-B&B. Usemathandweni uzothini? Kanti leyo e-B&B bekayibhukhile, it was for uAnathi ukuthi lala ne-girlfriend yakhe, right? Manje abantu bayabuza ukuthi manje Dominic le girlfriend bomazi okanjani? Uthi uDominic, mina le ntombazane ngiye ngahlangana nayo because of uAnathi uye wangi-introduce kule ntombazana, wathi yi-cousin yakhe. So mina bengazi kahle ukuthi ugelo yi-cousin kabani ka-Anathi. Kanti mina bengiloko ngifanda ini i-relationship yabo. Mangabe bafuna ukuyolala kuphi ulentuzana uAnathi uzovela athi baby ngicela ungibhukhele kuphi hey mina ngibhukhe. Kanti yena uthatha i-girlfriend that was introduced to uDominic as cousin, right? Loyo but loyo uAnathi ahambe ayolala ne-girlfriend yakhe, lapho basijabulise ngemali kabani yaka Dominic. Hayibo. Hayi ke khona manje uDominic wabantu uye wathola i-phone call from ifamily kaAnathi imtshela ukuthi wena sizokuvulela icala lokuthi uye wathandana nomntana lo muntu lona umncane kuwe. Yes, uAnathi umncane kuDominic, kodwa ke honey, he is over the ages of 18 now. What are you saying? Uvulela umuntu icala lokuthi uyajola, hayi wena imakancane. So ifamily yakabo Guy, yakabo Anathi nang manje seyitshela uDominic ukuthi he sizokubonisa in right. Naye uAnathi loyo uye waya on live laphayana atshela abantu ukuthi uyosuwisha uDominic because of uDominic ukhuluma ukuthi bekathandana naye ene yena wayengathandani noDominic akaze futhi wathandana noDominic, uke wabona. So uDominic uthi lo guy angi-understand because of even when I was shooting ama-promotional videos, ama-brand ndonto deals, you know those videos that they do, waye khona umfana. So umfana uyaphika uthi yena akazi, like at all, right? But mawuthuthu uyabheka uDominic uyasho ukuthi there was a time whereby they even went to Cape Town. When you go and visit ilentuzana ka-Anathi, you will see ukuthi vele ngalesikhathi lezi uDominic was in Cape Town, naye bekase Cape Town ogayo, njengoba athi yena akaze athandane nobani no Dominic. So manje sekathi yena uyoswisha uDominic because uDominic uthi uclaima ukuthi bekathandana nalo mfana lona. Hayibo. And manje uDominic uthi ngiyenza le video because of manje lo mfana lona wayengihlukumeza. According to Dominic, lo mfana uye wathatha ifoni kaDominic wayishayisa phansi. At some point washaya uDominic, wathatha ikhanda kaDominic walishayisa lapha. Bathi lo mfana lo, according to Dominic, uthi lo mfana lo bekamhlukumeza both physically and emotionally. Kodwa ke akazange akhulume next. Njengoba azoyenza i-video kanje, it's because of lo mfana lo huye ucalile. And vele uDominic is not that person who would go and talk about ama relationships wakhe and stuff like that. Usually ama video wakhe, it's all about usually makeup, hair, clothes, and then when she's attending ama events, you know, she doesn't really dwell much or rather expose personal life yakhe kangako uDominic. Nah. So sizobona guys ukuthi izo unfold kanjani. Everything that I said on this video, it is alleged. Kodwa ke it's from uDominic's own mouth, sana. It's from the horse's mouth. Koneki.